Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of my favorite rabbit holes, those random Amazon finds you don't think you need until you see them, and suddenly it's add to cart at 2 a.m. This list has everything from skincare magic to genius home gadgets. And yes, even a mug so cute it might make you cry into your coffee. Let's jump in. Let's start with the beauty and self-care finds that TikTok swears by. And honestly, some of these feel like they belong in a spa, not your bathroom cabinet. This limited edition secret menu set has 4 dessert-inspired flavors, plus stickers to decorate them. If your lips are always dry, but you still want them to smell like a bakery, this is your new best friend. A K-Beauty exfoliant that gently removes dead skin like magic. It's rice water extract, niacinamide, and absolutely no scrubbing required. I'm talking baby soft skin in minutes. This tightens, hydrates, and exfoliates. Reviewers swear they saw results in days. Blurs pores and fine lines without caking. One reviewer said it made their 60-year-old skin look 10 years younger. Not technically skincare, but if self-care for you is squeezing something satisfying, this belongs on your desk. Powder SPF for your face and scalp. No more greasy hair from sunscreen sprays. Spray, rub, and watch dead skin vanish instantly. Pedicure results without the salon bill. For anyone with lashes that point straight down, this lifts and holds curl without falsies. Defines curls, prevents frizz, and parents say it's a lifesaver for detangling kids' hair. The $6 shade-shifting tinted balm that's almost identical to the viral $25 original. Smells exactly like Sol de Janeiro No. 71 for a fraction of the price. Beachy, sweet, and long-lasting. Next, the things that will make your kitchen more fun, your snacks tastier, and your coffee habit even more delightful. Not exactly a kitchen item, but perfect for charging your phone, watch, and earbuds in one outlet while you cook. Asiago, garlic, and salt turns roasted potatoes into restaurant-level sides. Reusable, oven-safe up to 480 degrees with built-in measurements and a free recipe book. Silicone lids that hug half-cut fruit or veggies. No more plastic wrap waste. Space-saving oven-to-table dishes that look way pricier than they are. Crate and barrel vibes without the price tag. Mix with cold water and liquor for a bar-quality drink in a minute. Pickle-flavored puffs with a cult following. Salty, tangy, addictive. These are the little touches that make your home feel cozy, functional, and a little bit extra. Even paper cuts can be cute. Spray, toss in the hamper, and stains disappear in the wash. Turns cleaning your sink into a strangely satisfying experience. Daily wearable, affordable, and surprisingly durable. 3 tiny canvases, paint pots, and a brush for relaxing art nights. Ceramic, dishwasher safe, and painfully cute. Works as a nightlight while catching bugs discreetly. Fits in your pocket but keeps drinks cold for hours. Adorable design, sturdy build, and drainage included. Perfect for vanity setups, FaceTime, or get ready with me videos. Flexible, dimmable, and fits on desks, cribs, or shelves. Like Anthropologie's glassware, but witchy. Plays vinyls, CDs, cassettes, Bluetooth, and radio in one unit. Comfy, flattering, and has pockets. Available in multiple colors. Lightweight, breathable, and a cheaper dupe for Lululemon's Swift pants. 100 mystery-themed logic puzzles with a running storyline. Cold-stirred coffee with froth, ready in seconds. Reformation dupe that's comfy enough to live in. Writes vivid colors even on black paper. So that's 45 random Amazon finds that just might change your daily life. Or at least make it a little more fun. I'll drop links to everything below so you can check them out. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next list of things you didn't know you needed. See you next time.